Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Gina. Big up to all the lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families. Enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. What how things, how life. Happy Saturday and happy Sabbath to all the Sabbath keepers. Oh, no, big up on yourself, big up on a nice, clean, good self. Make we get down into the things them now. All right. Yeah, so I'm doing bit there and I've been seeing and hearing bits and pieces of things pertaining to Madame Curly, my love. You understand? And I hear Mr. Fletcher man him now, what I whole heap of things I say, cause him come out in defense of, Madame Curly. And him a talk up a bag of things and him a call out Lady D and so. So, man, don't know if him a speak in general or him just have a specific individual where him a talk. I don't know. But me not too agree with everything where you say, Mr. Fletcher, sir. Me not agree with everything where you say, honestly. Some me might agree with, but not everything. Not all of it. Because the one out here when walk Curly, she not innocent on the streets out here either, Madam Curly, you're not innocent. So some of what you say, man go agree with you, Mr. Fletcher, sir. Me I go disagree upon that one day. So I don't really that definitely me comfort about. You understand? I just all our reasonings. Cause me and Agnes we there in every little crevice and corner, listen to things them and we hear the things them, my loves. We ears up in the air like a rabbit ears antenna. Yes, my love. So I don't nothing serious, just a one reason. Well, if Curly want come to we after this, then that's on her. That is on her. You understand, my love? That's on her. So you must say, what, Agnes? But we go see for we self or hear for we self, yeah, man. Come on, can't bother with the whole heap of hear say, he say, she say, they say, everybody say. You understand? So me and Agnes now we go down at the hotel that the one at Connecticut where Curly live. My love other than say when we reach there, she not did there. My love, she not did there. So me I say about Tano, but Agnes, we never see her pan plane and come back from Aruba. Then I which a part she could have gone for, she not did there. So anyway, I made it now turn up a wonder and a wonder. So me I go sit down because she must come back here if I hear so she live. So me sit down a linger and I wait, look around the place if me see any sign of her I come now. Then one little birdie now go tell me say she no did there. She did a one another hotel that I want a New York, my love. She did a one a New York. She know they are the one a Connecticut no more. So me I say, but after all, now after all, then what she a do this so? So me say, all right, Agnes, it look like I say we have a trip. You know, like I said, we have a trip for now we have to go to New York. So yes, my loves now the same like a birdie I make one was say. She said she not in a no like a cabba over there, my dear she range she into prestigious hotel over there. Me say about wait, but Curly reach for her. Curly not ramping paya man. Hey, hey, Curly, me not tell you say you're poor again, Curly. Me not tell you say you're poor again. Me take it back. I take it right back. You know about that poor, Curly. You know about that poor. Cause right at this point, if you like I say, yeah, Mr. Mark Zuckerberg, me love sail into the same yacht. Or into the same league. Yes, Baba, me take it back. You know about that poor at all. But you know what puzzle me cause me hear you say that, say when I did come here the other day, I did I say you need help for your supporters them for go pay your last respect to your friend. You say you never really want it. I test you did I test them if they would have come true for you. But the party of that now we puzzle me. Curly, you ain't a ball, man. Did I see you serious, Curly? Shed all your water, you test them. No, man. Curly, me don't know if me fi believe that part. Me don't know if me fi believe it. But me I go take your word for it, below. Me I go take your word for it. And one thing though, me can't keep up with you, Curly. I cannot keep up with you. Me not gonna make you mad, me pie. Me can't keep up with you. Who believe you? Curly, who believe you say I test you and I test the people them? True to God. Say God no. Kiss the cross, Curly. No, sir. No. Me dear. Me, me can't chat to Curly again. Me can't chat to Curly again, my dear Trade for Curly living her best life. She's living her best life. Then, oh, do not see all the water. Curly said people out there can't drink them the water. They don't see it. My love. Them the water they feel like I say it custom made and made specially for curly, my dear children, specially for curly. Because they say it's either say them the water they come directly from the tree of life, or that the water they make you live forever and ever, amen, or it keep you forever young. I don't know. But curly say people out here can't drink them the water, they my dear. At this point, beloved, at this point, me can safely say, at this point, I can safely say Curly don't have her cares in this world for worry about. She free like 10,000 pigeon bird. She rich. She rich. Real rich like Tanto Blacks. She rich. All right, Curly. You win. We get it now, Curly. We get it. You're rich. You don't have to come prove to win. Not a thing more, Curly. You're rich. All right? You're rich. And she'll make it be no one say she not have nothing against the lady I had. The lady look at 99 say she not got nothing against her. But Curly, you fool way up. In Curly, I fool you fool with your power because I say if you not have nothing against her, and you come out up on the media and rip up so much cloth and fabric and style her in a them worst way, in a the most way, the wickedest way, then Baba suppose you did have something against her. Me wouldn't want to know if you did have something against her or you'd treat her my love. And she said the only reason why she used her name when she used her name in a one caption where she did use the other day, and because say people are use for her curly name to get views, so she used back lady the name, but curly that no fear. That is so unfair of you, Curly. Because if people are use for your name, you know, when them are do contents, you're supposed to use back the people their name. Fear is fear. Use back the smarty name, no use back lady the name. Remember, you know, the lady not pay her mind, you know, the lady don't ever talk boy you, Curly. The lady don't ever talk boy you. And she can't control not a soul out here. Everybody out here are big people. She could have talk until judgment morning. She can't control nobody out here until nobody will for do. People are going to do what they want to do for whatever reason they might do what they want to do. She can't control them. She can't stop people from calling your name and she can't stop people from using your name. Remember, this is the social media streets. Yeah, and if you want people stop using your name and stop calling your name, you are going to be the one to do that. Only you can do that. And it go still hard. It go still hard the moment you continuously out here in the public putting out certain things out here. People not going to stop talk. Once you're a public figure, people are going to talk about you. I remember saying, no, you're not just public figure, you know, you're a big deal. The deal of all the deals, they how you fi be the big deal out here, you don't want nobody talk about you, my love. The moment you're out here into the public, people are going to talk about you. Some are going to talk good, some are going to talk bad. And no matter how much you do for people like you or people love you, you still have people who are going to pick out the bad, are going to find the little tip of bad in a good way you do and talk. This is social media. I saw the thing set up out here. Not even when Jesus did walk the earth himself, he never have everybody done you like him or love him. Him did have enemies just the same. So in order to prevent all of that, my love, you have to go just find yourself under one rock or something. Otherwise, you can't stop it. Just a reminder, Curly, just a reminder. Because you look like sometimes you have memory loss, you know. Look how much time, Curly, you come out for the woman and you come out in such disrespectful manner, right? She will do a video, she will do a live, and you watch it, and you know you come for critique and dissect, but you do it in a such disrespectful manner. You can't do that without being disrespectful, you know. You understand? When you do that now, Curly, what you expect are gonna happen when people who support the woman see? Them are gonna come for you. Them are gonna come for you. You understand? So you're being unfair to the lady now, Curly. You're being unfair. You must speak the truth, man. You must speak the truth. Yes, you have people who will come out for you. Yes, you have people who come out for you. Where you're not trouble them, you're not provoke them. And in all fairness, you have to come out and defend yourself. Right? But a lot of the HATE develop for you out here, you know, Curly. Are from basically being disrespectful to the lady I had, you know. And if you wish to speak the truth, if you wish to speak the truth, though, Curly, the lady a mind her business. And enough time you follow other people and come out here and class and diss up this woman. Remember saying, After the whole broke with it galang with it town, you know. You know, at one point you did all your corner, you in a bill and you did do you. For a good while, you did mind your own business, you know. You never out here behave like this. But you see, the moment you lick head with certain individual, the moment you lick head is a different smaddy. Different smaddy. The two no have no difference, so no could have all no corner. You all for your corner, she all for your corner. And do nothing. Well, me not even cause she done all for your corner, just you not all your corner curly. Me don't know for whatever reason, but you're not all your corners at all. You're not all no meds. So you can't be one-sided panda one, yeah. And here now you say, you know, have nothing against her, but in the same breath, you still a disrespect her. You understand? Because you say, all right, people are say you're jealous of her, people are say you're grudge her. And then you come up with this whole ghetto thing. Question now, when are going to stop disrespect ghetto? When are going to stop discriminate ghetto people? What's the difference now with ghetto people and the difference now with any regular smaddy? You don't realize that Jamaica not ghetto again? You don't realize how ghetto people are live now? Ghetto people with ambition, no matter what kind of work you do. When you drive pan garbage truck and pick up garbage, you know, see some of them house. Ghetto people have things these days. Uptown no got nothing pan ghetto people right about now. Ghetto people educated, uptown people educated. Uptown people have things, ghetto people have things too. So what's the difference? Everything gonna come out and talk about ghetto, ghetto, ghetto. Like ghetto are the worst thing in existence. Enough tap man, tap discriminate ghetto people. Enough ghetto people right now live better uptown people. Enough. So curly, you have to just be honest in your reasoning, my love. You have to just be honest in the reasoning. Because you can't point finger so and the big finger point back by you. Because you know, curly, you know within yourself so you're not innocent out here either. You know that. Yeah, you get whole heap of lashing and then something there out here, yes, but you're not innocent either, curly. Yeah. And look upon the other day with that $10 the way you get now, curly. Now talk truth, now you come out here where you say you ask for assistant, even though you say you never mean it, a test, you not test them. And you get the $10, you come out here, you know, fling it back, get the people them, you know, and the things them where you not say, it never sound good. Maybe what the person they had could have given, you know. Maybe it was what that person had could have give. And just like that, you disrespect the individual and the excuse where you come with, it never make no sense. Because when you read what you say in the message, curly, when you read what you say, it never make no sense. Me think because of the backlash them what you see in the comments, yeah, try make excuse for it. It never make no sense. So you can't be like that. You understand how you see one me here say one cocoa full basket. And you did I say if I have now $1, $2, $5, if much of them with the panel live now did I watch come together with all of that it can add up. So how now somebody saying you $10 and you make such a big deal out of it? No, curly man, you have to do better than that. You have to do better than that. And when you do things like this now and people come out for you, you come with the usual disrespect, they go up under and they dip up all both left, right, and center all over the place. You understand? And maybe a behavior like that why you not get support. You understand? Because the one them were willing to help. For them to a little bit for you. And you have some of them on your platform too. You have some of your so-called supporters them. Me tell you already, I'm going to tell you again that them no mean you no good whatsoever. No. Because what them basically do, I walk and carry news from people and come right back over there and tell you. Me over your live and I see people in your comment section. Oh, this is somebody a chat you. Oh, this is somebody a drop word by you. Oh, this is somebody a said this boy you. Oh, this is somebody a stream your live boy you. Them type of people, they know, them no mean you nothing whatsoever. They know what them know what peckle. Because at the end of the day, when them carry Tory can tell you, you understand how you over the know what dip upon the people and a degrade and a disrespect. When the backlash come, because you know, expect say you go talk about people and disrespect people and them not respond, them are going to retaliate. When the backlash come now, you know, them same one, you know, what claims them are your supporters, sit down and laugh after you, you know. Sit down and laugh after you. Them love see when you disrespect people, because at the end of the day, you might feel like, oh yeah, disrespect people, but it'll look bad for you too. You understand? You degrade yourself. You cause people for not like you. It a cause people to lose respect for you. So really and truly, when you look on it, some of your supporters, them are haters too. Yeah, them worse than the people them who you claim say not like you, them worse than them. Because if them never likes it when people cuss and class you, them would not care to work and tell you. I see it, you come out the other day, say you test them, whether I test you not test them for true, or you did genuinely want it. But true, them not come out for you, you don't want to look bad, so you say whatever. You come out, say you test them, and them fail the test. Them the people that don't take up $120, $50, $100 gear. But them quick. If you run gallop car things can't tell you, yet them can't support you. Yet them not support you. Not even your business as you say them not support. As cheap as you have like a stars, but you have people when not go support you with stars either. Yeah, you have few with but the majority of them, look on the amount of them over your platform. Look on the amount of them over your platform. Them not like you either. Them don't like you, but them enjoy seeing you degrade yourself. And them enjoy when people tear you up. Yeah, because when you come out for people, them are going to come out for you and them are going to tear you up, so them enjoy all of that. They don't like you. Look on when you used to humble yourself back in the big C time when you come out and do your little karaoke and do your thing. But sure, you're not get more support then. Because all people like me used to over there, couldn't miss me. Trust me when me tell you say couldn't miss me. Because I always say me enjoy your level of confidence and you come out in your little belly skin them or something. Me enjoy that. Me used to up there in your comment section too. Me look forward for your entertainment. Because me know when me come off with a good laugh. But I'm going to say you're not talented. I'm not going to say that. But the ones them over YouTube where you always a cuss out or something, the little upcoming ones, them when I disrespect you, they might advise them opinion and you come out for them. And them want the real to you because them tell you the truth. That your supporters, them are your followers, because them like when you receive disrespect. Them like when people cuss you out. Them like when people class you out. That's why they turn mailman over your page. That's why they turn postman over there. And the few way genuinely don't would assist you if they come out and give you a little change, you fling it back, you know want to. Me see all stars people give you fling it back through, you know, enough. So you have to blame all for yourself too, you know, Curly. You have to blame yourself too. You have to learn for build and learn for humble. Your mouth will block your blessing too. You block your own blessing with your own mouth. Because really and truly, you know, when you come out, you know, you hold a little reasoning, you build and you humble yourself. You have somebody who can listen to you. You make a lot of sense. Even though you might have pronunciation problems with words, and you pluralize when you're not too. But you make a lot of sense. You can reason, you can listen to. But when you make a little careless so-called supporters, them what you have, boost you up, and you come out like Cruella Davil, them something that help to turn with a lot of decent people from you. And then a little kaba them at them left back and sit down and make up number over your platform. Them sit down on one bench. You and Lady D have no differences, right? And nobody can stop you from talking about her. But as a big woman, as a mature woman, you can come out and do things way better than how you do it now. Remember, you know, the two on what did body, you know. Well, me not even know about that part there because you come back out, you can say you did hypocrite to her then, so. But despite all that, you can still come out as a big mature individual and do your thing on a level, right? So, I'm just saying. I know I go get cuss out and dog out for my opinion, but I brace myself for that, my love. I brace myself for that. You understand? My love one back when on my background, I beg pianize on my head. Pianize this blasted back who I make on my head. I don't know what time it had done it a dig down one hillside. And it kind of distract me. I don't know if you know hear it in the background. It had distract me. So I go cut the video now here. And I will see you now. So I will see you now into another video. Peace out. Enough love, respect. And later. All right. Bye-bye. Oh no, what good. All right.